Imagine you're at a St. Patrick's Day parade, shamrocks everywhere, dreaming of moving to the Emerald Isle. Suddenly you realize, hey, I have critical skills that Ireland needs. Lucky for you, Ireland offers a critical skills employment permit that can make this dream come true. Let's walk through the process, step by step, with a sprinkle of Irish wit. Assess your skills. Are you a unicorn? First things first, check if your skills are in demand. Ireland is looking for unicorns. No, not the mythical creature, though that would be cool. Think IT experts, engineers, healthcare professionals, and more. The Department of Business, Enterprise and Innovation has a handy list of occupations they're hunting for. Job hunting. Find your pot of gold. Now that you know you're a unicorn, it's time to find your pot of gold. A job offer from an Irish employer. Polish up that CV, charm the hiring managers, and apply. Websites like Jobs, Indeed, and LinkedIn are your best friends here. Secure the job offer. Charm like a leprechaun. You've landed a job offer? Time to celebrate with a pint of Guinness. But hold your horses. You need to ensure the offer meets the criteria. The job must be full-time, last at least 2 years, and pay at least €32,000 annually, or €64,000 for specific roles. Charm your future employer like a true leprechaun to get that golden ticket. Apply for the permit, bureaucracy, here we come. Next, it's paperwork time. The Critical Skills Employment Permit application is submitted online through EPOS. That's the Employment Permits online system. You'll need documents like your job offer, passport and qualifications. This process can take a few weeks, so be patient and keep those lucky charms close. Health insurance. Don't forget your four-leaf clover. Ireland loves its healthcare system, but as a newcomer you need private health insurance. Ensure you get a policy that covers you for the first year. Companies like VHI, Irish Life Health and Leia Healthcare are popular choices. Permit approved. It's time to move. Pack your bags, don't forget your raincoat, trust me, and book that one-way ticket to Ireland. Dublin, Cork, Galway, the choice is yours. Each city has its own charm and a healthy dose of crack. That's fun for everyone. Once you've landed, you must register with the local immigration office. Bring your passport, employment permit and proof of address. They'll give you a GNIB card, that's the Garda National Immigration Bureau, or an IRP card, which stands for Irish Residence Permit. It's like getting your official Welcome to Ireland badge. Congratulations, you're officially an immigrant in Ireland. Settle into your new job, explore the scenic landscapes and enjoy the local culture. Make sure to learn some Irish slang and embrace the crack. It's all part of the charm. Immigrating to Ireland using the critical skills employment route might seem like a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow, but with the right steps, it's entirely achievable. From assessing your skills to enjoying the crack, this journey is as rewarding as finding that four-leaf clover. Slate to new beginnings. Ooh.